Congratulations on making out to the top 16. I heard that it's not your first time joining a national pageant. Am I right? Are you ready for your question? You may now pick your question. Your question. What would you prefer in choosing a partner? An intelligent mind or a fit body? And why? Do you want to ask me in Tagalog? Yes. Would you like it to repeat the question?
So, good evening to all of you. Mas pipiliin ko yung babae may talino. Dahil ang physical na anyo ay nababase lamang sa nakikita natin. Pero pagkakaroon ng matalinong pag-iisip ay magdadala sa inyo sa tagumpay. And hindi lamang yung sarili nila yung madadala nila. And of course, ikaw din at yung mga darating pa mo inyong mga anak. And ito rin yung magsisilbi para kayo imundan and magkaroon ng pagbabago sa inyong mga sarili. Improvement. Thank you.
Next up, we have Mr. Hitter.
Congratulations on making out the top 16. Who's with you tonight?
I sing my loved ones.
Sure, they're proud of you. Are you ready to pick your question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Now. Your question. Excluding tonight, what one significant event in your life that has most shaped you as a person? Gusto mo bang Tagalog? Question? Maliban sa gabing ito, ano ang isang mahalagang pangyayari sa buhay mo ang humugo sa iyong pagkatao?
Sa tingin ko, yung pagkakataon na yun is yung nalipat ako ng management. Malaking bagay yung nangyari sa akin yun. Natuto akong maging mabuting tao. At na-improve ko ang aking sarili. And kaya lubos-lubos ako nagpapasalamat sa management ko ngayon. Hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ko sa harapan ninyo. And maraming salamat sa mga supporters at mga sponsors na rin. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, thank you. I agree you're choosing the right people.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines, Misamis Occidental.
How are you, Misamis?
I'm doing good.
You have special someone here?
My aunties and my beloved handler, Mommy Archie Gray. Thank you for being here.
Are you ready to pick your question?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
Your question. Do men fear responsibility more than women? Kindly share to us your thoughts. Again, Do men fear responsibility more than women? Kindly share to us your thoughts.
Men doesn't fear the responsibility because I believe that men are more capable in strength, courage, and resilience. And I believe I have those qualities to be a better citizen living here in the community, and I believe that I can be able to help the community and the people as well. Thank you.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines Zambales.
Hello, good evening, candidate number 17. You look really dashing in your suit tonight. Are you ready for your casual interview? Right. So since you're ready, go on and pick one of the blue envelopes there. I heard you're Zambales from your fans right here. So Mr. Zambales, can you share your own personal experience when you had to overcome self-doubt or insecurity? Alright, one more time, here we go. Share your personal experience when you had to overcome self-doubt or insecurity. Or bahagi mo naman sa amin ang isang personal na karanasan na kinakailangan mong malampasan ang pagdududa sa sarili o kawalan ng kapanatagan.
Well, growing up, I came from a very wealthy family, but then our life changed and we went to the ground. My mom lost her businesses and such, and we became poor. And I think that was one of my biggest insecurity in my life before. But I didn't let it eat me. But instead, I always listened to my mother, to my loving parents, that I always need to be humble in everything that I do, because as they always advise me that humble are always blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Mr. Zambales.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines Cagayan Province.
Before I ask you a question, Cagayan Province is one of the youngest candidates we have, and
One of the youngest, but also one that has so many supporters here in the arena. Am I right?
actually yan na nagkasabing pangato eh. How are you? Are you ready for your question? This is your question. What have you learned about yourself as a result of sharing one week with other 42 distinctively handsome men? Again, what have you learned about yourself as a result of sharing one week with other 43 distinctively handsome men? Tatagal. Ano ang natutunan mo sa iyong sarili matapos mong makasama ng isang linggo ang 43 pang ibang natatanging kalalakihan?
I have learned to myself that the Mr. International Philippines organization creates brotherhood among us. We shared our experiences and challenges in life, and I think this created a bond between us, and that is why we should create a better community within among us. Thank you.
Very well said, Leon Province.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines, City of Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Good evening to you, candidate number 9. You look also stunning with your black formal wear tonight. So whenever you're ready, you can pick one of the blue envelopes there.
This one?
Alright, let me open it up for you. Oh wow, very interesting question. So candidate number 9, what is the first thing that you will do after the Mr. International Philippines pageant is over? And why would you do that?
Good evening, everyone. Well, for me, the first thing that I will do after I win the Mr. International Philippines 2024 title in this pageant, I will go to the barangay that I represent first in Tomasino, to Mr. International Batangas, Philippines, up to Mr. International Philippines, because they are where I'm from. If hindi ko dahil sa kanya na wala akong chance para may represent ang Mr. International Philippines Batangas dito sa national stage ngayon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that. And that is very heartfelt. I'm sure everybody's really proud of you from your hometown.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines, Araya Pampanga.
Excited pa naman. Excited pa naman kung ano question. Okay, tanong mo. Would you like to ask you in English or in Tagalog? Both. Your questions. Some people still think that male beauty pageants are degrading to men. How can you convince them that they are wrong? Ayon sa iba, ang patimpalak, pangkakalaki, pangkalalakihan ay nakabawas sa kanilang pagkatao. Paano mo kukumbinsihin na sila ay nagkakamali?
Male pageant, hindi lamang siya para sa... Ang pageant hindi lamang siya para sa mga babae. I do believe na ang pageant ay nararapat din sa lalaki para ipakita nila yung confidence nila sa sarili nila. Be the best of maging totoo sila sa sarili nila, maging proud, na may represent nila ang kanilang province na confidence. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Sir Araya.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines, Leyte.
Hello, candidate number 11. I just saw you struck the runway. Pwede mo bang sabihin sa amin sino nag-train sa'yo gumawa ng ganong walk?
I had so many trainers for Pasarela actually, but one of my very supportive and one of my best trainers is my hunter, Malem Malrosos, right at the back. So he helped me a lot.
That is a very great answer, but that is not your casual interview yet. I have here blue envelopes, and whenever you're ready, you can pick one. Oh, there you go. Now you have one. Candidate number 11. Oh, this is such a steamy question. Would you rather go on a date with an athlete, a doctor, or a celebrity star? You want me to repeat the question? Okay.
That's a hard one because I do most of it. I think with my profession, being a medical doctor, I would gladly date a doctor like me because he would greatly understand how hectic the schedule of a doctor, and I think we would have a mutual understanding. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Doesn't mean the doctor is in for candidate number 7.
Thank you, Nathan.
Come on stage, Mr. International Philippines, Rizal Province.
Congratulations, Rizal Province.
Alright, Rizal Province. Parang feeling ko sobrang dami mo talagang audience dito and you have one of the greatest impacts for tonight. So do you want to say your quick gratitude and express your, gratitude to all of your supporters here for tonight first? Do you want to express your deepest gratitude first to your supporters here for tonight?
First of all, I really want to thank everybody who supported me. And I will do my best, not just for myself, but also for you.
Alright, Rizal Province has the envelope in his hand. And here is your casual interview. Many kids and teenagers are bullied worldwide for having imperfect looks. What is your message to these young people?
To those people who were experiencing bullying, I just want you to remember, pray to God and be resilient. Because I always believe that resilience is the unwavering spirit that changes comebacks, setbacks, triumphs into opportunities, and adversity into champion. Thank you.
Laki ko yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda yung skin color, di ba? Parang representation of Pinoy. Are you ready for your question? Yes. Let me now pick your question. Do you want to ask you in English or in Tagalog? If you woke up tomorrow and gained any one ability or quality, what would you want it to be and why? Kung pagising mo bukas na nagkaroon ka ng isang bagong kakayahan, ano ang gugustuhin mong magkaroon at bakit?
Kung magising man ako sa isang gabi na gusto ko magkaroon ng isang kakayahan is magkaroon ako ng katalinuhan dahil wala nang masigit pa sa pag-isip na matalino kahit sa ka magpunta, madadala mo ang sarili mo. Lamang po, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Carla.
Next up we have Mr. International Philippines, Tanawan City, Batangas.
Candidate number 29, you also seem to have a lot of supporters. So do you want to say thanks to
and lalong-lalo na po sa pamilya ko.
Alright, whenever you're ready, go on and pick one of the blue envelopes from Nate. Then I will open it up. Are you ready to answer your question?
Yes.
Another interesting question. What is the last thing you think about before going to bed and sleep? And why? Alright. You want me to repeat it in Filipino? Ano ang huling bagay na iniisip mo bago humiga at matulog? And bakit?
Ang unang bagay na iniisip bago humiga at matulog ay ang aking pamilya at pagdadasal. Dahil alam ko sa buhay natin, laging nandiyan ang Panginoon na laging gumagabay sa mga ginagawa natin. Kaya hindi ako nagsasawang magpasalamat at humingi ng gabay sa ating Panginoon, lalong-lalo na ang gabay ng aking pamilya. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
A very grateful and a very family-oriented candidate we've got.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines Kinitao Misamis Oriental.
I've heard na yung advocacy mo is restorative justice. Can you share something about it?
Sure, but I am a criminology student at Inigo College, and I am championing for the goal of Sustainable Development Goals number 16, the peace, justice, and strong institution. I am advocating for restorative justice. It is a redemption it is championing the redemption and community healing for the person who deprived of liberty. Because as we all know, in the Philippines, the PDLs have been faced with significant challenges upon completing their sentence. And this societal rejection not only hinders recidivism and isolation, but as a criminology student, we can change this narrative through collective effort. Thank you.
Hindi ba yun yung tanong? Ba yun yung tanong? You ready to pick your real question?
Yes.
This is your question. Do you think everyone deserves a second chance in life, no matter what they have done? Why or why not? Again, do you think everyone deserves a second chance in life, no matter what they have done? Why or why not?
Thank you for that question. Well, I always believe that in life we have many chances, not just second chance, but many chances in here. I experienced a suicidal back then because of my personal problems, because I am a product of a broken family. But whenever I see and I thank God, I always believe that He always saves me for everything, for the unfortunate event happened in my life. I am a product of a broken family. And back then, I believe that God has a purpose on me. That is to inspire others through my story. Good evening, Mayong
Indeed, one of the most articulate contestants this year. Do you agree?
Happy morning.
Next up, we have Rosario Cavite.
Casual interview from one of the envelopes here. Right, a moment of silence. And I love how respectful your audience and supporters here are. And here is your question. In your opinion, what should be done in order to make our lifestyle eco-friendly? In Tagalog, sa iyong palagay, ano ang dapat gawin upang ang ating pamumuhay ay magawang mas nakakatulong sa kalikasan? Make us proud here, candidate number 7.
Bilang isang kandidato ng Mr. International Philippines ka. Para sa akin, ang pinakaunang kailangan natin para katulong sa paligiran ay disiplina sa ating sarili. Dahil hindi natin matutupad ang malinis na kapaligiran, malinis na hangin, malinis na karagatan kung walang disiplina sa ating mga tao. Kaya habang hindi pa huli ang lahat, gawin natin ang lahat ng ating mga kaya habang tayo sa mundo at kaya pang pigilan ang mga epekto ng ginagawa ng mga tao. Lamang po at maraming salamat.
What a backdrop moment for our fellow people worker, right? Thank you so much, candidate number 7.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines, Paranaque City.
Congratulations on making it to the top 16.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm really grateful actually. Actually, I gained 3 M's tonight. Friends, family, and fans. JJ Jails.
Are you ready to pick your question?
Yes, I'm ready.
You want your question to be in English or in Tagalog? Here's your question. Would you rather change the past or see the future? Mas pipiliin mo bang baguhin ang nakaraan or makita ang hinaharap?
Mas pipiliin kong makita yung hinaharap. Actually, I'm really inspired on what futures hold for me. And I think I don't have the right to change my past because I'm really proud on what I've been through. And now, that's the reason why I'm here, because of my past. LVL, thank you.
All set.
Next up, we have Mr. International Philippines, Cebu City.
Good evening to you, candidate number 28. You look dashing, but I want to know, what are you feeling right now? Are you nervous? Are you excited? Or what are you feeling?
Thank you, Miss Aliana. Actually, what I feel is quite nervous, but not because of the question, but because I'm inside of you.
Bakit naman? I don't bite naman. But good answer. Very good banter. And meron na lang akong isang envelope dito. And we're ready. We're ready for you to answer the question.
I think I don't have a choice.
You don't have much choice now. Alright, here goes your casual interview question. Let us imagine that there is a time machine and you can talk to your 10-year-old self in the past. I wonder, what will you tell him? Do you want me to repeat it?
Yes, repeat it in English, please.
Oh, in English, alright. Let us imagine again that there is a time machine and you can talk to your 10-year-old self, candidate number 28. What will you tell him?
Thank you so much, Miss Aliana. If I will be given a chance to go back in time at my 10-year-old self, I will just say him, hey,
just do good. Because I know here in front of you guys that I did good in my career as a basketball player. And here I am today, facing also to be in pageantry. So I will just say, do good and move on. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that. I'm sure your 10-year-old self is truly proud of you now, candidate number 28.
Last but not least, we have Mr. International Philippines, San Fernando, La Union.
Hello, Lonian.
Hello.
Ano ba yung feeling na ikaw yung pinaka-last na tatanungin ngayon? Ano yung mararamdaman?
I feel nervous and excited at the same time.
Ready ka na ba or mamaya ka?
Bukas na lang. Joke lang.
Would you like your question to be in English or in Tagalog?
Pwedeng po.
Sure. Here's your question. If given the chance to choose between to change the world or to change yourself, what would you choose to do and why? Kung magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon, alin ang pipiliin mo? Baguhin ang mundo o baguhin ang sarili mo? At bakit?
Well, thank you for the question. I personally believe that you must first change yourself because in our world, the people, we must change for the better because people in the world, if you are better, then the world will be better. Thank you very much.